In the previous video, we have learned how to get the current date, time, and the timestamp using this syntax. For example, selecting date now is returning the current date, and we have equivalent syntax to this syntax. So let me show you. We write select. Instead of writing date, we write current underscore date. We get the same result as we get from the date now function. As you see, we got the same result. Also, we have the same thing for the time. So instead of writing time now, we can write select current time. We get the current time by UTC format, as like this. Also, for the timestamp, instead of writing date time now, we can write select current timestamp. Run it and you get date and time. The time will be in UTC format. Another useful syntax which we can use it in SQL is getting the starting of the current year. For this, we will write select date. Now this will return back the current date, but we want the start date of this year. So we add another parameter which is start of year. Now if I close the syntax and run it, I can see that I am getting the starting date of the current year. Now we are lives in 2022, so we get 1/1 of 2022. Okay, if you need to get the current month, the starting of the current month, what we do, we write, instead of writing start of year, we write start of month. This will return the first day of the current month which we live in, which is March now. So now it is 1st of the March. Another thing is starting of the next month. How we get the starting days of the next month? We use the same syntax. We can get this. I will copy this and paste it here. We add another parameter. We add 1 month to the current month. Then we get the starting day of the next month. Now we are lives in March, so the next month is April. Okay, sometimes you need to get the last day of the current month. What we do, we can copy the same syntax and add another parameter, is eliminating or decreasing 1 day from the last month. Then we get the last day of the current month. Let's run this. As we see, we are lives in March, so we get the 31 of March. So this is the last day of the current month.